Having a LinkedIn profile link on your CV is must these days. If you're a fresher, if you're an employer, if you're an employee, if you're a freelancer, you should watch this video, because in this video today, I'm going to tell you how to create a decent profile for yourself on LinkedIn. So be with me. My name is Trilekha and you're watching Lot to Learn. Before I tell you how to create a decent profile on LinkedIn, let me tell you first, why is it important to have a LinkedIn profile these days? What are the advantages of having LinkedIn profile? I am example here. As if you're my subscriber, you know that I teach English on various platforms. They see me on LinkedIn and that's how they contact me. So if you are working somewhere, you get noticed by employer of the same field, and that's how you get more opportunities. If you're a freelancer, you will definitely get more work from LinkedIn. That's how I look for freelancer on LinkedIn. If I want to get my work done, then I definitely go to LinkedIn because it's a trusted medium. If you're a businessman, you can build a brand on your LinkedIn, and that will help you getting rank in Google. Above all, LinkedIn is going to help you in networking, which is most important these days. So now, let's understand what are the important points that you should keep in mind when you are creating a LinkedIn profile. So the most basic thing is having a profile picture and a good background. When people try to connect to me, if I don't see any profile picture, I feel it's a fake account and I generally ignore that request. So if you are on LinkedIn, you should have a professional profile picture, also a good background picture. So let me show mine. You put yours based on your knowledge and experience. Make it work for you. Say you're a graphic designer with some experience, so you can write a graphic designer with 2 years of experience. So whatever suits as per your profile and experience, go ahead and make it professional. Don't put selfies on profile pictures, vacation pics, or someone in the background, or you're looking here and there. It has to look decent and professional. Another important thing is headline. If you're working somewhere, then write job title, company name, and keyword. Now, what is this keyword? Say, for example, if I talk about myself, I can write English educator or English teacher. Why is this important? Because when they look for candidate, or when they look for someone for their organization, they look for these kind of keywords. For example, English trainer, English teacher, English educator. So anywhere where my keyword would rank, it will help me to get noticed. Now this one is important. Summary. Summary should be summary. It doesn't have to be essay. So it needs to be very crisp, short, and to the point. So explain about your experience, or if you're a fresher, you can talk about your strength here. Also, never write in third person. Try to always write in first person. If you need any help while creating LinkedIn profile, you can always ask me in the comment. If you're a fresher, if you have recently entered to the college, you should have a LinkedIn profile. So go ahead and create one for yourself. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Also, let me know in the comment if you have any questions or queries related to the video. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you soon with one more video.